If you're living with arthritis and wondering why your joint pain seems to worsen after certain meals, you're about to discover the shocking truth about 5 common foods that could be sabotaging your joints right now. Stay until the end because I'll reveal the surprising connection between what's on your plate and the inflammation in your body that most doctors never tell you about. Arthritis affects millions of people worldwide, causing persistent joint pain, stiffness, and swelling that can dramatically impact your quality of life. While genetics and age play a role, what many people don't realize is that your daily food choices can either fuel the fire of inflammation or help extinguish it. The foods you eat every day might be acting as invisible triggers, making your morning stiffness worse and your joint pain more intense than it needs to be. Understanding this connection between diet and arthritis is crucial because inflammation isn't just a symptom, it's the driving force behind cartilage destruction and joint deterioration. When you consume certain foods, they can activate inflammatory pathways in your body, sending chemical signals that increase swelling, pain, and tissue damage in your joints. But here's the good news: by identifying and eliminating these inflammatory culprits from your diet, you can take control of your arthritis symptoms naturally. Before we dive deeper into these joint-damaging foods, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips that could change your life. The first major offender hiding in your kitchen is sugar, and it's more dangerous to your joints than you might imagine. Sugar, composed of 99.7% sucrose, breaks down into glucose and fructose in your body. While glucose provides energy to your cells, excess fructose gets processed by your liver, potentially leading to fatty liver disease. This liver dysfunction often contributes to obesity, which places additional mechanical stress on your weight-bearing joints like your knees, hips, and spine. The extra pounds literally crush your cartilage, accelerating the degenerative process that defines arthritis. Beyond weight gain, sugar directly triggers inflammatory responses throughout your body, releasing cytokines that signal your immune system to attack healthy joint tissue. The second group of foods wreaking havoc on your joints are oils high in omega-6 fatty acids, particularly sunflower oil and corn oil. While omega-6 fats are essential nutrients, the modern diet contains far too many of them compared to anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats. This imbalance shifts your body into a pro-inflammatory state, where your joints become battlegrounds for chronic inflammation. Every time you cook with these oils or eat processed foods containing them, you're essentially pouring gasoline on the inflammatory fire burning in your joints. Red meat and processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli cuts represent the third category of arthritis-aggravating foods. These protein sources are loaded with saturated fats and often contain preservatives, nitrates, and excessive sodium that promote systemic inflammation. Red meat also contains high levels of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which are compounds formed when proteins react with sugars at high temperatures. These AGEs accumulate in joint tissues, contributing to cartilage stiffness and breakdown over time. Alcohol, our fourth inflammatory culprit, might seem harmless in moderation, but excessive consumption creates a cascade of inflammatory reactions. Alcohol interferes with your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients needed for joint health, including vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis. It also disrupts sleep patterns, and poor sleep quality is directly linked to increased inflammation and pain sensitivity. Furthermore, alcohol can interact dangerously with arthritis medications, reducing their effectiveness or causing harmful side effects. The fifth and final category includes all fried foods, from French fries to fried chicken to donuts. The high-temperature cooking process used in frying creates trans fats and other inflammatory compounds that your body struggles to process. These foods are also typically high in refined carbohydrates and unhealthy oils, creating a perfect storm of inflammatory triggers. Additionally, fried foods often contain excessive amounts of sodium, which can cause water retention and increased joint swelling. The cooking process also destroys beneficial nutrients while concentrating harmful compounds that directly contribute to joint deterioration. By eliminating or significantly reducing these 5 food categories from your diet, you're taking a powerful step toward naturally managing your arthritis symptoms. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to either feed inflammation or fight it, and now you have the knowledge to make the right choice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more life-changing health insights.